Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the primary sport after starting the app on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen and find the author section, and here go to the first option, the primary sport after starting the app. And here you can select a sport, for example the handball. And the handball is the primary sport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.